Hey everybody, my name is Mike Vargas and I'm one of the co-founders of the UX+DEV Summit. We're really excited to bring you the event this year, and we wanted to take a little time out to introduce ourselves as well as our event.
Hi, my name is Ignacio Garcia. I am co-founder of UX+DEV Summit. We started the UX+DEV Summit because we saw that there was a huge need in the UX community to not only have a voice, but to educate and help bring the community closer, elevate the community standards in the profession, and also bring awareness to what user experience really is.
This year, we're going to be focused on a 5-day event. The first 4 days are going to be focused on intense workshops in the areas of UX, development, project management, and leadership.
Essentially, what that means is we're going to be covering everything from the internal processes, of what it takes to make a great product, the challenges that teams go through, how to pivot, how to adapt, highlighting a career path for designers and developers, and showing them what it's going to be like when you're entering that leadership role or managerial position.
It's going to be a great environment, and it's going to be filled with very different types of people from different types of areas. And again, that is what UX+DEV is all about. One of the things that we've done this year differently is that we're allowing you to customize your experience based on what you want to do. So if you want to attend courses on specific days, you want to attend workshops, or maybe you just want to go to either a workshop or the conference, you now have the opportunity to do that and customize it based on what works best for you. For more information about the UX+DEV Summit, follow the conversation on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.